When you're buying a house that has existing trees, like an older house, you should always be paying attention to what the roots are doing because they can cause their own damage. Now the challenge comes in that you may have a tree on the neighbor's property, but the neighbor's tree is putting roots on your property. So we have some pretty good sized root systems going on here. So the recommendation is going to be that we get those roots handled before they tear up the property, because they can go in and impede the brick. If there's a crawl space, you could see the roots come into the crawl space, but this is on a slab. And I'll show you what happens over time. You'll see that this particular heat and air unit has two different sets of root lines coming into it, so it's made the slab uneven. When your heat and air sits uneven, that can cause additional wear and tear on your unit, and that ain't cheap. So we want to make sure that we prolong the life of your heat and air. So long story short, do an inspection when you buy a house and make sure that as you're walking around and you see issues, they don't have to be game changers. You just have to know what to deal with and when to deal with it so you can protect your investment in the long haul. By the way, that's why you call a realtor.